Should I stop my SIP? Should I redeem my money from equity mutual funds? Are these questions bothering you? Don't worry, this is not the first correction. Stock market has gone through many such corrections in past. If you want more value, you need to pay more price. Similarly, if you want to get more return than risk-free rate of return, you need to pay more price. And the price is to stay invested with patience during the correction. When we look at the past corrections, they look like lost opportunity. And we wish that if you get time machine, we would travel back and invest more during the past correction. Then why worry about the current correction? Don't let the feeling of fear win over the logic of investing more during the correction. Remember, you can't predict the time, magnitude and recovery period of correction. But one thing is predictable. Correction is temporary and growth is permanent. Keep investing during correction to get more unit to ensure the fast recovery and better wealth creation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.